Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn Naive class in Bootstrap. So let's start. First of all, what is Naive class? Naive class is used to create a navigation bar, or we can say a menu bar. So as you know that, as you have seen in many websites, we have navigation bar. So navigation bar can be in two ways. Either it can be horizontal menu bar or it can be a vertical menu bar. So first we will see how to create horizontal menu bar. So to create horizontal menu bar, we are going to use three tags, that is UL tag and LI tag. Okay, so here UL tag is used and inside UL tag we are going to use LI tag. Now to create a navigation bar, we have to use Naive class. So inside UL tag we are going to use the class Naive, and inside li tag we are going to use naive item. So naive item is basically used to list down the menus or the items inside the navigation bar. And the third tag which we are going to use is a tag, that is anchor tag, which is in which we are going to use the class naive link. So these are the three classes which you have to remember while creating your navigation bar. So again I am repeating, for UL we are going to use the class naive. For li tag, we are going to use the class naive item, and for a tag, we are going to use naive link class. Now, ul tag, as you know that ul tag is what? Unordered list. It is used for listing the items, and inside ul tag we use li. Li means list tag, and inside li we are going to use a tag. A tag means anchor tag, which is used to link the pages. Okay, so now we'll see practically how to use all these three classes for creating your navigation bar. Okay. So first here we are going to use container class. Inside container class we will have one row class. Inside row class we will have one call class. After this we are going to use ul, li and a tag. So first we will create ul tag. Inside ul tag we are going to have li tag, and inside li tag we are going to have a tag. Now for ul tag, which class we will use? Class naive. Okay, then in li tag we are going to use the class naive item, and inside a tag we are going to use the class naive link, which is used to link the pages. Okay, and now we are going to write the name for our menus. For example, we will have home page. So home menu we will have one. Now we have created one list. Again same thing we have to repeat. So again second list. Inside this list we will have a tag, and this will be for about us. Then in list we are going to use the class naive item, and in a we are going to use the class naive link. Okay, now again we will copy this. So we are going to have four menus in our navigation bar. This is third and this is fourth. So we'll change the name of the menus. About us, then courses will have, and then contact us. Okay, so first of all we will see the output for this. Save it and execute. So as you can see, the menu bar is appear on our website, but there is no background color for the navigation bar. So we need to apply some color to our navigation bar. So here we will create one CSS file and we'll write some properties inside the CSS file for our navigation bar. Okay, so open your CSS file. So first class is nave, where we are going to apply the background color. Okay, as you can see in HTML5, here we have nave class, right? And we are going to apply the background color to our navigation bar. So the property is background color and we'll give the color as purple. So first we'll see the output for this. Save it and execute. So as you can see, navigation bar is appear. Now I want that this navigation bar should cover the full width. So what I will do, instead of container, I will use container fluid here. Save it, execute. So now I'm getting full width. Okay, now as you can see, the name, home, about us is not properly visible because of the color. So now I'm going to change the color of the text. Okay, so for this again we are going to go in CSS file and we'll add some properties here. So as you can see in HTML, that menu name are written in A tag, and for A tag we have the class NaveLink. So we are going to apply the property for NaveLink class. Okay, so dot NaveLink, and here we'll use the property color and I will keep it as white. Save it and execute. So now it's looking properly. Okay, now when I hover the cursor to the text, it is giving me blue color. So I want to change this hover effect. Okay, so for that again we will go to the CSS and here we'll apply the color for the hover effect. So NaveLink colon, we are going to use hover, and here we will apply the color. We will keep it as red. Save it and execute. So now we'll check. So as you can see now, now when I hover on the text, it is giving me red color. Now suppose I want to give the background color also for the hover effect, then I will apply one more property here as background color and we'll keep it as green. Save it, execute. So now as you can see, I am getting the hover effect, hover background color effect. Okay, so in this way you can apply the CSS properties to your navigation bar and create an attractive navigation. Okay, so as you can see, the menus are appear to the right hand side of the navigation bar. So if you want to place this menus at the center or at the end of the navigation bar, then we have some classes. So we'll see that. So there are two classes which is used to align your navigation bar. So first is justify content center. So if you want to place your menu bar or the menus to the center of the screen, then you can use justify content center class. And suppose if you want to place the menu bar to the right, then we have to use justify content end. And these two classes should be used inside the UL tag. Okay, so now we'll see practically how it looks. So go to the HTML and inside UL tag, we are going to write, here we are going to write justify content center. Okay, save it and execute. So as you can see, now it is placed to the center of your website. Now suppose I want to the right hand side, then I will write, instead of center I will write end. Save it and execute. So now it is placed to the right hand side of your navigation. So this way you can change the position of your navigation bar. So this was all about horizontal. Now suppose if you want to create a vertical menu bar. Okay, so for that we have one class called flex column. So flex column is a class which is used to create a vertical navigation bar, and this flex column class should be used inside the UL class. So now we'll see this practically. So here I will write flex column, save it and execute. So now this is your vertical menu bar. Okay. So this way you can create both horizontal and vertical menu bar. Now here in this program we have used UL tag. Now suppose if you do not want to use UL li tag to create a navigation bar, then you can use nav tag. Nav tag is specially used to create navigation bar which is provided by HTML. So you can directly use nav tag. So now I will show you how to use nav tag. Okay, so now I will have nav, and inside nav we will directly use a tag. Now inside nav we are going to use the class. First class is our nav class. Okay, and inside a we are going to directly use the class nav link. Just copy this. Okay, so first we will have home menu, second about us, third will be your courses, and fourth is contact us. That's it. Save it. And in CSS file we do not need to do any changes. We'll keep it as it is. If you want to change color you can change it. So I'm just changing the background color to, so I have changed only the background color. Now we'll see the output. Save it. So as you can see now, same we have created. The output is same. It's up to you which tag you have to use for creating the navigation bar. You can either use UL li tag or else you can use nav tag also to create your navigation. Okay, so here also if you want to place the menu bar to the center, you can use justify contain center. Save it and execute. So the navigation bar is placed to the center. Okay, so in this way you can create navigation bar using nav tag and UL li tag. I hope you have understood this. Thank you so much.
Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos.
Like and share videos with your friends.